Today I paid a visit to the old wood pile and came away with this big chunk of black locust. I'll have to trim it down so that it fits onto the lathe, and I'll start to turn. We'll see how it works out. Hope you folks enjoy the video. This chunk of black locust is definitely a wobbler. I ended up adding 100 pounds of steel weight to the lathe stand just to try to stabilize it. I don't know about this piece. At this point in the turn, I got a general idea of what exactly the shape is going to be. But for some strange reason, I end up making a modification which I end up regretting. At this point, I'm ready to cut the mortise into the bottom of this piece. Once it's done, I'll flip it around, attach it to the chuck, and then I'll start working on the inside. Now time to apply the Pita's fine grit polishing compound. I really like using this particular compound because of the finish that it leaves. I tried some of the others, but pretty much stuck on this one. So here I am, done with another piece, something to put on the shelf. This vase is 6.5 inches in height, 8.5 inches in width, and I turned it to about 1/4 inch in thickness. Came out really nice finish, a lot of character in the grain, really happy. I just wish I wouldn't flatten the top. I should have peaked it, but I didn't. Anyhow, if you folks made it this far into the video, I totally appreciate all your support, and as always, thanks for watching.